Hello, I am from CodeSpeedy Technology, and in this video I will show you how you can easily create a Tkinter button. This will be a short and simple tutorial, and I will not be explaining all the parameters that we can use in button. So let's start. To make this video shorter, I have already created a window. This is new window and I have set the size. Now I will create a variable. In this variable I am going to store my button. So in order to create a button, you have to use this button method, and in this button method we have to insert several important parameters like our window name. In whatever window you are going to place your button, you can mention it here, but this is not mandatory. If you don't mention it, it will work fine. And the next parameter will be our text, which is nothing but the text that will be appearing on the button. So I am just writing click me, and I just need to pack it my button dot pack. So if I run it, you can see that the button has been created, but actually I can't click on it because I didn't tell my program that what to do if I click on it. Okay, so the next parameter will be command. So here you can mention the function. For example, I am writing hello. So if I click on it, then it will run a function hello, but in my program there is no function named hello. So I need to create a function. You can name it anything, whatever name you will put here, you have to create a function in the same name. Now to make it easy, I am for now just creating a print statement. I am clicked, that's all. Now you can run it. You can see the click me has been appeared here, and if I click on it in the console, I can see I am clicked. You can click as many times you want. Okay, so that's for today. In the next video of this Tkinter series, I will explain you the more parameters about button and how you can work with it. That's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe this channel.